Alkaline, you a big bumbuckler waste man, dog. What is wrong with your boy? As a dancehall artist, boy like you with fame and fortune and money and everything, dog. You come out and sing song and big up girl. You should be ashamed of yourself, dog. What is wrong with your boy? You need to find a doctor and find out why you can't bring not one out of that 1 million girl where you sing about in your song say have line up for the girl then. Batty boy, Alkaline, why not stop sing song about Batty wash boy, eh? What is wrong with your boy? You really like when girl take them tongue and put in your Batty hole and play with it? Dog, me 100% sure say any boy make girl put them tongue in them Batty hole, we make girl put other things in them Batty hole. Dog, we need to stop mess up the dancehall culture, dog. This is not the dancehall one me grow come see. When I know you are sing boy, you want girl wash your bottom with them tongue. You have mallet and have manager in sweat pan stage, or you have eye acting dressing like some little 16-year-old girl. What is wrong with you no boy? Yo, dog, gonna stop fuck up the dancehall culture, dog. What is wrong with you no boy? Boy like you Alkaline, you should be ashamed of yourself, dog. When you attack, dog, you need to call name, dog. It defeat the purpose. We all know say a bounty killer yard.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers don't already know the thing set. We're blessed. You will also know the story ain't complete if minute up on the beat, and as you can see, put on the screen. Yeah, my peeps, the people them tired of Alkaline Batty business, and I put out another music. You know what I mean? I want to come destroy the nation with broader business. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because I'm telling you for the longest, Alkaline fans has outgrown him and he has to do all type of controversial stuff to gain new ones. And he's doing the same thing he did in the beginning of his career, you know, with the black eyes and all of these things. This is my answer. Nevertheless, let's proceed to the next trending topic. Let me say out of Jamaica after deal with Paparazzi Apple. I'm going to give an update with their court case in, you know, later on in this review. But we want to talk about Mitchie Poo first. Because, you know, the two of them are thief. Pick up yourself, Mitchie. I'm a girl, you know. But, yeah, the two of them are thief. You know, Paparazzi Apple was once living in England and she got deported for stealing. You know what I mean? And she's possibly facing deportation from America for this said crime. You know what I mean? Mitchie, you know, has been caught several times over the course of her life. And she's not getting tipped because, you know, England easier for staying. Her last stint, she got caught stealing over 19,000 euros worth of goods. But because she has a sickness in her head, you know, a kleptomaniac, yeah, they let her off scotch-free. Here's some awesome.
She's telling me to take it.
And she was cleared of all charges.
I hope someone will help me with my book.
But she claims what she's battling isn't greed, it's trauma.
When my depression take me, I do things out of my control, and it was like day after day I was stealing, in, out. So I was get arrested in Selfridges, and I didn't even know until when I reached court that I was actually in and out of the shop 3 days straight, back to back.
There are lots of people that experience depression. They don't do what you did, and they don't get arrested, and they don't go, you know, they don't end up in court.
When my son was taken into care, my twins, I lost control. From the day they went to the school and they take my sons from me that day, I lost the will to live. My life went downhill. I find myself drinking heavily. I find myself stealing, taking stuff. I'll be getting arrested every other day. They will release me from the police station today, 2 hours after I get arrested. I couldn't think. My mind went blank.
But this story starts long before that. She left Jamaica, she alleges, after being raped and attacked.
These are from the rape attack, and stabbed and left dead. I didn't ask for it. I went to go to look for my friend, and her boyfriend raped me, pinned me down, raped me, and threatened me on top of it. He threatened me, and he burnt me there. I got stabbed in my back as well. So when people see, they don't know what you've gone through. And this was where the gunshot wound fly through.
When she got to the UK, it wasn't the fresh start she hoped for.
When I first came to the UK, I was happy to come to the UK. I was happy, I was having happy moments, but things take a turn for the worse. So straight away I was put on the street and I was given drugs to go sell in King's Cross. I regret my action and I'm very remorseful for everything that I've done. I'm not perfect. I'm human, like everyone else. I've got feelings. I didn't want to be like this, even though I'm struggling with my diagnosis and it's very, very hard for me. I love cooking. Cooking is my passion. I love fashion as well. I would want to be a stylist eventually and pass me the long season as well.
Melissa Grant's story is one of pain, but also of resilience. She's still standing, still dreaming, still healing.
Yeah, she definitely has a story and she's working on a book. It's going to be released on Amazon, so they can go cop it when they're ready. Now back to Paparazzi, them Apple. It's not a good look for them, as you know, they're being tried with a RICO, but on a state level, and they're going to be the first ones under this new law to be tried, and you know they're going to make an example out of them. You see, as you can see, this is where Jay Icon was begging Biden before Trump came into office to do something with the people them that, you know, that have no status, because, you know, both of them is facing 15 years in a prison and he has status in America, so he'll be good in America. And unfortunately, she has to go back to Jamaica where they have nothing, you see me? So their last court appearance was in May of the 19th of the month, you see me, and their next one is in a few days, you see it, August 13th, you feel me? Yeah. And today is August 13th, but them say everything is held on record, as you can see on top of the screen, so I really don't know what's going on, you know, but when they do update the court system again, me will let you know. Let's proceed. No, J.A. Sky Princess finally responded to Tony Matterhorn dragging her after, you know, she came out and tell lies on him, according to him, because, you know, I'm there one dance and I'm a cuss up some woman and all these things, you know, the antics. So, no, she wants him to get cancelled. Filming.
Good morning, Jamaicans. Good evening, good night, wherever you are. This message is for Tony Matterhorn, and when I address this message, I will not touch back on this topic because I am saying what I have to say, and Tony Matterhorn, if you don't like it, you can say whatever. I don't care. The problem is that you could not handle constructive criticism. Imagine, I said that, yes, I was excited to know that Tony Matterhorn was coming on stage and all these things. But because you can't take the ear, say, yo, we never have fun because you try to live off of your name and it now go work in a 2025, you decided to call me all sort of bitches underneath the sun. And what was the word you used? Grasmite. You want to call me a grasmite? And it was not in the English dictionary. When I went and searched for it in the Urban Dictionary, it says that somebody of low class and low value. Sir, please, you reached and you completely missed. But I know who I am. I didn't come out here to find out who I am. I know who I am. So whatever you say has no meaning or value to me. But I will tell you this. What you needed to do was go and pick up your book, call Ricky Platinum, actually, Ricky bigger than Platinum, and say how you connect with woman them, how you play the music and the girl them feel good. But no, you come and you give an excuse as to the sun was hot. The sun was hot? Sir, so when Ricky Platinum was playing, was the sun cold? No, the sun was not cold. You played at 5:30. You played at 5:42. Let the stamp show what time Tony Matterhorn played. But Tony Matterhorn lacked the capability of connecting with us and how to play music that he thinks that this is a different year back then. No, Tony Matterhorn, we pay our money to come have fun. We pay our money so that we can have a good time. Not to come and hear you degrade neither us, women, or your fellow comrades, because not even them you can get along with. The mere fact that you ever talk about, never show them DJ or to play because they got them brain not work. Tony Matterhorn, your brain was not working. Your brain was not working and you have the audacity to come and tell me, and I tell upon you, Tony Matterhorn, apparently you have amnesia. Apparently you don't remember anything that transpired. Tony Matterhorn, the people were not moving. They were standing around on their phone, scrolling away. What were you doing? Stop playing. The roof is on fire. We not let it burn. We wanted you to burn. We wanted that laptop to burn because you cannot play music, and therefore you're cussing people thinking that it will shelter your inability to do the job that you were paid to do. Tony Matterhorn, we the people is sick and tired of it, and you need to lift up. You understand? That's what you need to do. Pick up your book and call DJ Kid and ask him how him play in a boiling sun. Because I him play in a boiling sun at daybreak. Because no sun never hotter than when daybreak did that one. Because the day was broken. Tony, you played when the day was setting. The sun was setting. And then you come give a sad excuse. You know why? Because all you know how to do is tell people say them stink and dirty. Who are you and a friend? How much gun you can buy? Because you lack substance. And then you have the audacity if you want to come carry Noah Power in this. I said nothing bad about Noah Power. I said that Noah Power lacked on milk and honey. Noah Power got his forward. Noah Power secured the bag. But no, you want somebody to come by your side. But sir, that go with you because Noah Ark shot and you're standing out there on your own because Noah did the job that he was paid to do. You did not. Tony Matterhorn, it's the year 2025. Stop cussing out people and using that to disguise the fact that you're actually not good at playing good music. You're not good at doing the thing that you are paid to do. It makes absolutely no sense. And we the people recognize it. And we're calling you out on your shenanigans. So you can always go on and cuss out the whole away. But at the end of the day, we are the paying customers. Women need to be respected. And you don't like us. So what you need to do is go and pick up your book. Call Ricky Platinum and ask him how him did. Call DJ Kid and ask him how him did. Call your friend Noah Power and ask him how him do it. Because you are drowning. Go away. Good morning.
This little grassmite, I don't know you from blood clot nowhere. One when named Jamaica Sky Princess. One little can't dress retard now. You are sum up best weekend. And then you are gonna say a chat about the selector them. So why you not chat about your fucking self now? Oh no no me attack on the can't tag her. J.A. Sky Princess. So when you attack, you don't feel like you can chat about your little retarded self. First thing this woman say, this grassmite say, me no know you from nowhere. Cause you say you work on JetBlue. Me never see you on JetBlue yet, bitch. I'm a fly on JetBlue every freaking week. Me just fly on JetBlue yesterday. I'm gonna fly on JetBlue tomorrow. You are gonna sum up a party. And you are gonna say, me going at the party, and me say, the woman them stink. Normally you know me cuss and go and bad in a party, but this wasn't a party for that. I'm a rise and toast, so I wasn't cussing anybody. I was playing some Lonely Is the Night and them little song there. Some nice little song. See? So the day they hot, like really hot. So go so boom bam bam and play some little souls and then I play some little wind up song. Me never play the skin out song like If the Man Live, I know I pussy fart and them tune there. And even them song them I play some would not cuss nobody. So that a one, me know you lie for me. The only thing me say stink, and me say stinking Keisha Cole. Me tired of you about I used to think that I was you have to stop think now. And that alone me say no. And then when me play the elephant song, me say stinking elephant. So you know which part of my set now I was cursing the woman them and say them stink. You see it? That bitch ya, you just lie and wicked. So you just feel like if you go up on your platform and say, Matterhorn did a cuss out the woman them which a lie. When me cuss them out, me cuss them out. But if me never da cuss them out, don't tell no lie upon me. Cause me never did a cuss nobody. It's just that Matterhorn name, easy for call. She name J.A. Sky Princess. No, you say Noah Power, Jamaican Sky Princess, big up yourself. Don't take nothing that I said a while ago personal. I just tell people my mind, okay? And that was on my mind because you fuck it yourself. You fuck it yourself. You chat the wrong things. And I don't like it when people talk lies about me. If you say Matterhorn, me never like him set, I have no problem with that. Because it's not everybody going to like the set that you played. Take it from me as a professional. But do not tell lie on the brother.
Yeah, put in the comment section if you agree with her or not. You know the thing set nowadays, nobody can get cancelled, you know. Did you see me? Because look how long they might try cancel like Vanny, you see me? Anyway, people, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest stuff.